Hi, it's Camper Jim with the Adventure Camper Company. In this video, we'll show you how to operate the 3800 watt WEN generator. For cold startups, turn the knob to the number 1 start position and press start. As soon as the engine has started, rotate the control knob to number 2, run. To start the engine when it's already warm, put the knob on the number 2 position and press start. To turn off the engine, press the right side of the toggle switch in the center lower portion of the control panel. Keep the switch depressed until the engine comes to a complete stop. Next, we'll review the multimeter in the upper left-hand corner of the control panel. The load indicator on the left side will indicate how much load the generator is currently carrying. If you exceed capacity, the overload indicator will illuminate red. If it's producing power, the green indicator in the center will be illuminated. If the engine is low on oil, the warning light will be illuminated on the right. Your fuel level is on the right column. The display will toggle between volts, frequency, and hours of operation. If you overload the generator, the red reset button on the multimeter screen in the upper left-hand corner will stay a steady red. You'll need to unattach some of the appliances or turn off the microwave or air conditioner before attempting to press the reset button. Once you've reset, you should see the green light indicating voltage is restored. You can then go ahead and resume use of power. You can easily monitor the level of fuel you have by looking at the fuel indicator on the right. Air conditioners require a large amount of energy, especially when first starting up. The eco mode needs to be turned off while you're using the air conditioner to avoid tripping the breaker. If you are not using the air conditioner, however, you are welcome to use the eco mode to save fuel while operating the generator. The oil access panel is on the side of the generator. Turn the latch counterclockwise to open it, and you'll see a very typical small engine oil receptacle. Unscrew the dipstick and clean it off. Once you've done that, put the dipstick back in without screwing it in. Push down and then pull the dipstick out to get a measurement. Inspect the dipstick. You should be all the way to the top to halfway. This dipstick's showing about 3/4 full and is within operating range. Anytime the oil gets lower than half the dipstick, it's time to add oil. To add oil, we have a little tool that'll help you, a small funnel that threads in to the crankcase. Screw it in where the oil cap goes carefully, and then lean it forward and you can pour in a small amount of oil. Unattach and then recheck with the dipstick to make sure you don't overfill. Unscrew the funnel and then finish by putting the oil cap back on. The engine must be turned off and cooled before refueling. Make sure after refueling that you clean up any spilt fuel before attempting to start the engine.